Malas. Yung hirap dito sa mga ganitong style ng seat post is that labo. Okay. Dahil nandito yung indicator, it should be in the back because usually you measure the seat length from the back. What's up guys and welcome to today's unboxing or unwrapping dahil walang box itong aking padala mula sa Lazada. So as I was saying, so we have here a package from Lazada that is not in a box. It's in a wrapper. It's in bubble wrap. So we're going to open this. This is a 400mm seat post at a 27.2mm diameter. This is gonna be for the mountain bike and not for the road bike. The reason being is I'd like to take the seat much higher, but the stock seat post will not allow me to go any higher because of the minimum insert requirement that is given by the frame. So what the Jamis comes with is this seat post. It's around 350mm long, 27.2 diameter over here, and it also says, if you can see it, hopefully you can see it, but it does say there, right on this line, minimum insert. And that's really why I bought this item that I am unwrapping right now, is that when I set this up on the mountain bike, I only have around 2.5 fingers of insertion. So it's only this amount of seat post that is inserted into the frame of the bike. The thing is, the design of the Jamis frame is it requires a minimum insert of around 4 inches. There has to be this much material underneath whatever it is you're running on the seat post. So for other applications, you may be able to cut down your seat post. For some people, you may be able to cut down your seat post to minimize weight and still have a minimum insert of that much. But the thing is, since I'm running my seat very high, I am at very much below minimum insert. That is why we have bought a seat post that is 50mm longer. So, hindi pa rin natin tatanggal. So, hopefully, tama yung diameter. Isang linggo na to sa akin. Hindi ko pa na-unbox dahil quarantine ngayon and walang makapag-bike. So, there's really no point in doing the bike then. So, it looks pretty good. Not sure if it's the right diameter. I might have... Okay, it's good. It's the right diameter, so... That's kind of how to do it. You just put it on top of each other and just eyeball it. Eyeball is pretty fine. So, as you can see, it is only a bit longer, no? Not a lot. Huh. It does say 400mm. I think I'm still not on minimum insert. It's weird kasi this is a Jamis brand seat post and this is a FMFXTR, whatever it is, Lazada brand seat post. But it has also a minimum insert, which is weird, and I do not find it comforting to know that something that I bought that's longer has a shorter minimum insert. Meaning, it requires me to have more minimum insert on this longer tube than it is for me to have it on this smaller tube. Huh. Anyway, at least this gives me 2 inches more to work with. No, it's not gonna work, you know. I used to run the seat post this deep. So, hypothetically, putting the seat there, it just might work. Yeah, it will work. I'll have this much, which is around 4 fingers. I'll have this much hold on this seat post from the frame, so I'm quite comfortable with that. And what I'm going to proceed to do next is to remove this seat. Yeah, so we're going to just remove this seat now. Off with that. Okay, so this seat post design, it has 2 bolts that are smaller size than the ones found in the Jamis seat, but they look to be pretty good hardware, diba? For 499 pesos, I would say this is a nice looking piece of hardware. So yun pala, hindi compatible yung puwan ko. Malas. Yung hirap dito sa mga ganitong style ng seat post is that labo. Okay. Dahil nandito yung indicator, it should be in the back because usually you measure the seat length from the back. Di siya paano na-orient natin siya kung paano gusto ni manufacturer. But now, okay, so we kind of have it in the place where we want it. Now I know why I kind of like this seat post, is that you can adjust angle on the fly without having to fully loosen up everything. So it doesn't rely on the ridges that's been machined onto the seat post itself. What you do is you loosen one end, then you tighten one end, and it's slowly going to push towards the angle you would like to set the seat on. So I think for now that's good up until I can that's what I fucking hate about these tools. These fucking cheap. Sakit. Dumula siya, so natulak ko sa bakal yung knuckles ko. Anyway, so that's it. Tapos na natin ikabit yung seat dito sa bagong seat post. This is a Physique Arione. I like the saddle. It's pretty worn. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. I'm not really looking for the best brand seat post. I was actually looking for the cheapest one that offered the greatest value. This seemed to be the nicest looking one that I could find online. Hopefully it holds up. Hopefully it does not break on me because this is a very sensitive part of the bike, I would say. It's where my ass lays or where I put my butt against. So if this were to fail, I don't want to know what's gonna find its way up my ass or where my ass would find itself. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you dislike this video, please tell us in the comment section down below what we can do to improve, and share and subscribe because, you know, bike stuff. You like bike stuff, right? That's why you're watching this video. Bye. Nga pala, pasok nga pala natin quickly itong upuan dun sa bike. Gusto ko lang make sure na susuksok ito. Tapos gusto ko rin ayusin yung angle. So I might do that as well. So we're finally here dito sa bike. We're gonna test out kung paswak ba siya. And mukha naman, yeah, it fits very well. Ngayon, ang bago niyang sagad ay actually ayokong gasgasin masyado yung tube. So may gasgas na. Anyway, so ito yung sinasabi kong minimum insert. So ang rason kung bakit gusto nilang mahaba o lagpas ng 4 na daliri yung minimum insert ay dahil ayaw nilang itong parte lang ng frame ang nasi-stress. Dahil nga, pag nakaupo ka dito, bali parang hinahatak mo itong weld na to. Ang nangyari, pag mahaba yung bakal na nasa loob, ang nangyari, meron rin siyang puwersa na lumalaban dito. Hindi ka lang bilang isang puwersa na humahatak dito sa weld na to backwards as how your body pushes down on the frame, but also you have yung movement nitong bakal na nasa loob na pumupush dito sa part ng frame na to na nasabi kong napakatibay dahil within the triangle siya at hindi siya yung bakal na nakauslilan dito na hinahatak ng puwersa ng bigat mo. So hopefully, now that meron na siyang added na length, kampante na ako kahit paano meron 4 na daliring kapal na maipapasok itong bakal na to dito kumpara dun sa dati kong setup na hanggang dito lang sa weld. So mas maganda na yan para sa aking pagbisikleta, mas safe na. Hopefully may natutunan kayo. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you dislike this video, please tell us in the comments below. Always share and subscribe. Bye bye. So that's it installed. As you can see, it sits higher than my current road bike saddle, but the thing is, my bottom bracket is also considerably higher than on the road bike. So, much na yung pinaka-dimensions nila. So as you can see, there's a bit of height difference in the handlebars, but not the same in the skewers. Mas mataas yung skewer nito. So I'm going to need this steeper -17 or higher negative degree stem to bring that position at the same aggressiveness as the road bike.